Hey teachers, so kumusta po tayong lahat? So we are now in quarter 2 ng ating school year 2024 to 2025. So for today, ang ipapakita ko po sa inyo is yung ating summative test for quarter 2, week 1 and 2. So I know ang iba sa inyo is may mga nagawa na, and ang iba naman is baka need pa ng additional reference. So this video is para po sa inyo. So as you can see, we have here 7 subjects in grade 4 matatag curriculum ngayong school year. So I'm going to show you paano ba gumagawa ng summative test, or ano ba yung laman dapat ng ating summative test. So let us open an example. So for example, Science 4. Okay, opening, antayin natin. Ayan, pagka-shade mo natin. So here, so sa ating Science 4, as you can see, if you're going to make a summative test, you should also have the test questions. Yan, so sample lang muna to. So for example, this one is multiple choice, then true or false, pwedeng true or false, and then identification, and of course yung key to correction. So huwag muna natin ipakita yung key to correction kasi mas maganda na hindi makikita yun. Ang mahalaga is yung mga questions. So yan po, isip lang po tayo. So dapat yung coverage niya is kung ano yung nasa coverage ng ating objectives for week 1 and 2. So alam naman natin kapag week 1 and 2, or yung ating first week ng second quarter, it's all about the human body system, the plants, parts. So yun po yung laman ng ating summative test. Then after this questions, dapat ito po ay may table of specification. Ito po. So binilisan ko lang so that dito na po tayo sa table of specification. So pakita natin ang sample ng table of specification. Ayan. Yan. So it should also be kung ilang items, kung 20 items, dapat nakalagay dito 20 items. Then, according sa Bloom's taxonomy, sa revised Bloom's taxonomy. And then sa baba, if you're going to submit it, dapat may signatory din. Prepared by, then noted. So, this is how you're going to make the summative test. So, since ang ating summative test ay consisting of 8 subjects sa grade 4, so dapat may 8 subjects din po kayo. So, that's it. So, ilalagay ko po yung ating sample copy sa description. Feel free to download the copy. If you want to message me or join our group, check din po yung ating description. God bless everyone.